Hello, everybody. How are you? Happy Friday. It's another fabulous day here at Vintage Press Studios. My name is Serena, and I'm so excited to be here with y'all today, even though I'm not live. I typically love being live with you guys on Fridays. I look forward to it every week, but this is a very special week for me. I'm pre-recording this a little bit in advance, but this is airing on Friday, so I can honestly say that my mother arrived yesterday. And my mother is here, and we have a big celebration today for my son. My son graduates high school tomorrow. So, and y'all, he got his first job last week too. He's a dish boy at Chipotle, and he's very excited about it because he says it's kind of like it's not a very stressful job. He goes, all the other jobs, mom, in there are so stressful, and I can just put my earbuds in and I wash pans all day. Y'all know how much I was able to get him to do dishes like at home? Like none. So, but he's happy and I don't care. I'm like, whatever. So, anyways, you guys, today we're doing an awesome little project. And one of my favorite little things to do is to make hidden paper clips. I have them all over things. And I also love using hidden paper clips in cards, and then also too as like little gift tags. And so today we're doing a little bumblebee one. And what sparked the idea for this one is actually I had a bumblebee pattern already, but I found this incredible mix of bumblebee. The link is down below on Amazon of bumblebee ribbon. Y'all, I think all of this was like $10, which if you know like how much expensive ribbon is these days, it's a steal. I also found these cute little felt bees, and I've been wanting to use them in something. Now, they're a little bit big for this project, but you know, I love to be super extra, so I don't really care. We are using the little felt bees. I thought if I could find a way to like put a paper clip or like some wire through them to like, I don't know, but I don't know. We'll have to play with these little bees maybe in another project. But we're gonna get the camera turned around and get you guys started on this. For this project, you need some glue and some scissors, a little zip jar if you need it, which is liquid glue, and of course the cup. Other than that, you don't need a whole lot for this. A little bit of ribbon. So let me get the camera turned around here. Let me get us down into place here. And let me get this turned around. Perfect. Very good. I'm also going to change my audio to just above me so I have a better, hopefully it'll change the audio. I'm still trying to like get familiar with the new studio and like where things need to go. I'm waiting for a new arm to come for my camera. So anyways, we're going to get there. So thank you for your patience. Alrighty. So I've got everything already cut out. And there's going to be 3 pieces that look like this here. And you'll see the little paper clip design on it. And what I want you to do is to get your glue stick, and you're only to glue the bottom portion. Do not glue the top because this is your paper clip. Okay, so we're going to glue the bottom here. And using my favorite glue, hint, hint, zip from Tombow, not Zip Dry, from Tombow, my favorite glue. Someday, Tombow, I'd love to have a sponsorship. Love your products. Hello, call me maybe, right? Okay, all right, so we're gonna do that. Crazy easy. Now you can use 2 different size paper clips. I don't really care what you want to use, Buttercup. It's up to you. You can use these smaller ones like this, or you can use a little bit larger ones like this. I think we're just gonna use maybe the larger ones. It doesn't really matter. Either one is fine, because when you put this paper over it, you can't really see it, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, and then this here is the part that is the clippy. All right, so go ahead and put your paper clips whatever size floats your boat. I do not care. You want to make sure that the short paper part of the paper clip is on this part, and the long part is there on the back side. All right, so just FYI. Short part in the front, long part in the back. All right, we're going to get out some zip dry glue, and we're going to glue these on right on over it, just like that. Okay. Now, sometimes when I've done these, if you watched me do these before, I'll leave like a hidden tuck pocket And I'm not going to do that this time. So if you want a hidden tuck pocket, knock yourself out, Buttercup. Whatever you want to do, it's fine by me. And we're going to lay this down. And we're going to fold that over. Let me get a giant ass paper clip. 5 and below for giant ass paper clips. Alrighty. I'm so excited. I'm almost fully moved into my new studio. It's just kind of a mess right now. I'm just trying to like organize things and donate things that I don't need. It's just like a lot in between like graduation and it's just a lot. So, but we're getting there. Everything in like due time, right? Everything in due time. Everything in due time. I'm trying to figure out a way to like deal with my ribbon situation. So I'm hoping with my mom here, my mom's super creative and my mom's very crafty. And so hopefully with my mom here, she can help me with that. That would be amazing. So we'll see in a week or so when we're live again, we shall see what we've been able to accomplish. I didn't get that very straight, but it's okay. All right, no matter. All right, very good, perfect. So we have our 3 little paper clips here. The zip jar dries like really super fast, hence the name. So, but I didn't get that very even. You all can do a better job. And these here, if we put that right there, we're not going to be able to like see it. We'll do that in a bit. Let's get these pockets on. There's long pockets for the back, okay, and short pockets for the front. Long for the back, short for the front. It's one of the few times you'll see me use tabs in my folios. And it doesn't matter what set you want to use. It's like whatever, just mix and match the pieces. When I design it, I just design it because I really want you guys to have like your own, even though we're using printables, that's like crooked. Even though we're using printables, I want you guys to have like your own creative imagination with them. Okay, there we go. And you can put it upright if you want to. I just put it sideways. I don't care what you do. And last one here. I'm going to do that one up and down. Normally I do it sideways, but, you know, let's be a little different. Now, if you're here on my YouTube channel, I have a Freebie Friday playlist. And in this playlist, these are my forever free projects. And there's actually a couple paperclip files in there that are a part of my forever free. Now, my Fri-Yeah projects, those are always free for the first week. And then after the first week, they turn into $1.95 files. So even if you miss the first week, I'm grabbing some ink here. Hang on. Even if you miss the first week, they're only $1.95, y'all. So cheap. Like literally after expenses, I think I make $1.52 on them. So, which just pays for like, you know, lets me buy like more ribbon and paper. Okay, let's push that down. All right, perfect. So I'm getting a little bit of ink here. This is my cheap ass Amazon link. It's down below if you want that. Just kind of like clean up the edges a little bit. Okay, good. right, we're gonna do some ribbon here, and snap this, and I'll show you guys the way. If you've seen my videos before, you already know this, but I just have to remember that every week I may have new people joining me who are brand new to this, like junk journal, folio, paper crafting, thingamajig that we do here. So just like showing you unique different ways to do things. So we take a ribbon and we fold it in half, and push this up like that. And then there's going to be a little loop there. And if you tuck that in like that, now gently do it, because if you don't have little grommets on it, you could rip your paper. You could always put like a little bit of tape on the back side of your paper. I also give you extra papers to allow you to print these double-sided if you want to. Now, tags are intended to write on. So sometimes I leave them blank on the back, and sometimes I double print them. It really is up to you. But remember, tags are meant to, especially if you're giving this away as a gift. You know what you can use these for too? And as in your, from those of you, my church people, in your Bibles, that you can write like whatever, like little note taking, write the verse on it that like struck a note with you during service. And if you're in church and there isn't a verse that strikes a note with you, you should find a new church. So I have very strong beliefs about church and what you should be walking away with every week. But anyways, we won't get into that here today. All right, so we're just going to tie up these ribbons. Isn't this the cutest damn ribbon you've ever seen? Love, 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 love. All right, so cute. I love like just kind of like kicking off summer with a little bit of bee. And you can see that one is like kind of backwards a little bit. It's good. Also too, guys, a little note here. Later in the month of June, can y'all believe it's already June? If you're watching this on replay, lucky for you, you probably don't have to wait. But in the month of June, later in the month, we are going to be having a little mini celebration here. And it is going to be called Summerween. And we are going to be rolling out some Halloween projects early this year, because Summerween is actually a thing, believe it or not. We did a Summerween project last year. It was there was a Friday the 13th in June, and so we did a Summerween, which was a huge success. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a Summerween event. And then in July, we're going to be doing Christmas in July. Yes, please. Why not, right? Go from a devil's holiday to religious holiday. That's fabulous. Anyways, hey, you can have your cake and eat it too. All right. So here's our little cards. One thing that we want to do is sometimes our glue gets buck wild and crazy. You just want to make sure that those pockets open, because we got stuff to fill in with them. And if these pockets, see, like that one just got a little bit sassy. You can use, if you got like one of those scoring sticks, I just don't know mind that right now. You can also use a pair of scissors and jam it in there. All right, there's a little card for each one. Let's put our little cards in there. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and put sweet. Actually, do we want to put that on the front? Oh, I'm going to put this on the front. That's so sweet. Buzz. And then Bloom. Perfect. Oh, wait. That one goes in the front. I just put that on the back. Silly me. I'm going to put that like right here. Off. Buzz. Perfect. There's some like other cards right here. For some reason, I only have two. I don't know why, but I think I lost one. Sometimes I do my cutting in bed, so it's like This is why I'm single. Well, I mean, I'm not really single, but that's why, like, there's nobody in my bed because, like, oh, come on into my bed. Oh, don't mind my paper cuts everywhere. Oh, Lordy. Okay. And then these here, you can kind of like do little tucks in here. And then a little tuck in here. Isn't she lovely? And then there's 2 tags per paper clip. Like that. And another one right here. And another one right here. Now, what I just love about them, of course, I have like my, I'm in the middle of moving here. Don't judge me, okay? It's what I have handy here. But look. Oh my God, isn't that cute? Isn't it the cutest? I freaking love. There's my love clip. Did I lose one? Oh, here we go. Look at that. Just like that. So easy, right? So easy, so fun. All right, let me turn my camera up around here so that I can see your pretty little faces. Well, I only see, like, I see nothing really. I just pretend that I can see your pretty little faces. Anyways, there we go. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this Friday. And most of all, thank you for your patience with me the last couple of weeks as I took a little time away last weekend. So fun. Look. I'm going to put my bee. I know it's so extra. It's so extra. But I'm going to put my little bee. I'm going to come up with a project for these. Like a jar of bees or something. I'm going to come up with something. This is coming in a couple weeks. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to figure something out. But that would be super cute on that anyways. So I hope you have an amazing, awesome, fabulous weekend. And I hope you have fun creating your little beehive mini paper clips. And we will be back here next week, I promise you. And maybe I'll get some inspiration on like what to do with these. Also, too, inside this file, I just forgot. I seen it. There's these cute little things here. I almost forgot. I can fold these in half. They're different sized ones, like right. And then look, you can put them like glue. Let me turn the camera around again. I just forgot about it. Gotta love it. I wish I was live so I didn't forget about these things. That's why I hate recording. All right, hold on here. Let me just show you guys. Like here, if you have your little bee, because I forget we got newbies here. All right, and then look. You can take it and put it in your spine. My glue already got a booger. Put it on the spine. Like that. And then I'm going to kind of put it off to the side because we don't want it to like, interfere. Let's just hold this for a couple seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. See, look at, oh, I love. Anyways, it needs a little bit more time. We'll get that done. We'll get it done. So anyways, you guys, have a great, fabulous, awesome weekend. Thank you again so much for being here. Your support, your kind words, your happy mail. Thank you so much for the happy mail. You guys are amazing. And I will see you guys back here next week. Have a great week. Bye, everybody.